So I was out cod fishing today and cod and mackerel. So it's going buried in my garden. Let's see if I can keep the birds away from it, or better yet the cats. But it's time to try to give back and get this soil made out again. Well, there you have it. I got that roll took care of for amendment. Some good fish and mackerel. Skeletons should do wonderful there. If I could keep the dogs out of it. That'll be the challenge. So, what I'm up to, my pumpkin. It's only a little one. I only got 2. But I'm up to digging the furrow back out so I can so this is the ones I got from here up on the side of the bed there. That rid done really good. So I mistakenly forgot some squid. So sorry about that, Matty boy. Dad took them out the top, forgot them. So they won't go to waste. They go down in the trench here now and get buried give the soil some more minerals for next year's growing. So I'll give you a fly over when I get some in the ditch. So I got the squid that I forgot in the basement. I forgot to clean. I got them laid in my roll. So I got fish in this roll. I got squid in this one. I put a squid next to the turnip. Listen to me. I got on today, boys. I put a squid by the pumpkin. If I put a squid by the pumpkin, I'll certainly see how he's going to do. He's not a giant, but it makes some good relish. It did last year. So I get these fellows buried up. Got it? Hey, what's you barking at? Coming out all my good tomatoes and filling my buckets back up, beating it off. Looks like me brother caught you in the kitchen again. I'm always in the kitchen. So you dump them there, is you? Take the roots out of them? All the time, Sal. Everything's work. Huh? Yeah, we're taking it all out. No, everything now carbon compost. Right. Work, Father. So, Jeannie is taking over tomato out.
This was a basil. Just one good.
Is it?
You don't like basil, do you?
No, I don't. Put it in a tub and bring it home in your basement.
Well, the cat's pissed. What do we eat delicious?
Hold on now, brother. See what you're doing there now.
Just beating the root out. Basically what we're doing, isn't it?
Yeah. Keep it soft for next year. So I just chopped it.
So next year we bring the soil back to life next spring. With some bone meal and some blood meal and some worm castings and that kind of stuff. And some loin. So at that time of year when you're just cleaning out the greenhouse.
Oh, you got to go back in the tub, huh? One more, is it? Yeah.
Phew.
Did I got a yang?
Right.
Let me take this, probably better. Butter.
Easy. Well done.
Right from the kitchen to the
Kitchen to the garden.
right from the kitchen to the greenhouse.
Yeah. I done all my apples this morning, got them all done, carried in the basement. 20 minutes in the pot. The none. No, it's not trick or treating yet, but I soon will be.
Right?
Yes, Bobby gets me in stuff I shouldn't be at.
Well,
That's brother, no? That's brothers.
that's my brother's fur, right?
Yeah. That's what brothers is for. What a trim.
It's all right. I got to take you out and show you the apple tree. We got to go look at the apple tree.
Yeah.
When she gets this done now,
I guess not this one field.
we'll get you over
Call it off.
and we'll run over and look at the apple tree. The apple tree is
We
amazing.
I think it was like 7 they come out of them yesterday with the wind. A little bit of wind, wasn't much, but she was hitting on the roof, tumbling down over the roof.
Right? Go.
Okay, so after me and Bobby got all the tomatoes, stocks and everything all shook and beat, it brings all my buckets inside. So for every bucket, I got to have a plant to put back in there next year. We had lime and worm castings and blood meal and bone meal. Everything to soil to amend it in a bucket container. So we'll see you next spring, I guess.
Right?
Thanks, Bobby, for all your help.
Oh, you're welcome to. There's still a lot of apples on that tree, didn't he?
Yeah, it is. They picked up 42 yesterday morning on Greg.
Yeah, so
So anyway, we realized, and we've been talking about it, leaving the apples around the garden. And online they've been saying not to do it because you're pulling in insects, slugs, and whatever insects that's eating to do that rotten apple, right? So
Right.
we've been trying to pick them up off the ground. Go that under the ground after falling off now today. But you could hear them clunk hitting the house,
right?
hitting the eave of the house because it's way up over the house. And still a lot over here too, Bobby.
That's a
Still
big,
a lot of apples over here yet.
that's some wonderful apple. He's a wonderful apple tree.
Yeah. Now, so it's either Golden Delicious or Jazz. I'm not really 100% sure. Maybe someone out there might know. Because this is the first year I've seen the reds on them like this.
Yeah, I know, they've always been yellow.
Yeah, this vibrant, look.
So,
There's a lot of reds on them the year.
so did they cross pollinate from the neighbor's tree?
No. Could have.
I've never seen reds on them before. They used to be.
Well, yeah, when we've had really hot summers, he's red, but most summers just gets a little blush of it. The red, look.
Yeah.
Our temperature's so cold, but this was very warm. And early on, now he dropped all these apples down on the ground. We come out one day, we figure it was on the ground. Couldn't figure out what was going on, but we realized that at temperatures he wouldn't get enough water, so he was stressed and he dropped his fruit.
Yeah. Beautiful apple tree.
Yeah.
See, he's always fluffed up.
Gobble, gobble. Yeah, we've had the rain now. I'm pretty messy looking in the rain. He's pretty dirty looking in the rain. His tail feathers getting dirty.
Gonna be all right Christmas Day.
Chicken's gonna be gone.
Chickens are big now, ain't they?
Yeah, figures for 10 pennies.
Woo! They're not chickens, they're turkeys.
Yeah, they're almost big as turkeys.
Look at me, look at him.
Come here, let me get that. What do you think of him? Oh my lord. He's trying to get the time going. An old Tom.
He's a big bird, isn't he?
He is. We figures he's 15 pound there now.
Yeah.
Not 100% sure, but he's getting big.
Right? So I'm out in the garden trying to clue up this season, just like everyone else. I got some tomatoes. It's about to call now. So I'll take them, let them ripen on the bag. I'll just let them ripen. You got no worries, they'll turn into something. No. I say I'll ripen these and make some, like a bottle of, like Deanie makes. So this was, hi! That's you out. I don't think you're out, is you? You think you're out? I don't know. This little plant I've always done. So good in the garden. It don't matter the size now. It's already October 10th or something. Time to get them in, I'd say. Nice tomatoes there. Don't you? But you leave the garden. She's a good girl. See ya. She's only a pup, but she's learned fast. But it's so cold now. Just remember, stick them in a bag
with a ripened, with a little bit over ripened banana, and they do. They ripen them up in a couple of days for you. Should be grand. Some of them as grand as these. Frost is coming fast now. So it's time to clean it all up. Just like you've seen Deanie doing earlier. It's time for me to do it over in my garden as well. So, like to say, indeterminates keep growing until the frost take them. So, if you want to ripen them up on the vine, cut them back a bit, put them right up. Or you can come and do this, just bring them to the house, put them in a bag with a banana. They ripen in a couple, 3 or 4 days. Just turn up top right. Looks like he's doing grand now after the heat. Being barberized. Got some good leaves there now. I got 2 of them. So, guess I'll come and take them tomorrow. The man's turning, the vine is pretty yellow now. I think he's gone as far as he could go. So, I'm over in the beet bin. So, I planted cylinder beets this year. It looks like they're doing well too. So join us next week when I comes out and gets this bit harvested, and I take you right to from harvest to the bottling process. The video you're going to want to watch. Anyway, from Bob the Newfoundland Gardener. Let's keep growing on the rock. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.